Hey guys, my name is Veronica and this is Potions with Veronica, a YouTube channel where I show you how to make DIY cosmetic products using your own hands. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways how to make DIY bath salts. Let's start. For the first recipe we will need a mixing bowl, an Epsom salt, a Himalayan salt, a dried lavender buds, container for storage, and lavender essential oil. First, we need 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon of raw Himalayan salt. And then we add some dried lavender buds. Then we add some lavender essential oil, just about 7 drops or more. So then we mix all together. And take our salt to the container. And your salt is ready. You can shake it if you want to, but in all other senses it's completely ready for use. For the second recipe we will need a mixing bowl, an Epsom salt, some sea salt, peppermint and grapefruit essential oils, and also a container for storage. So this time we will need 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, and then we add a few, about 5 drops of peppermint essential oil and exactly the same amount of grapefruit essential oil. And then we mix it all together. Oh, this smell of peppermint. And then we put it all in our storage container. And this is our bath salt number 2. And for the last recipe we will need an Epsom salt, some baking soda, matcha green tea, and also tea tree essential oil, and our dearest friend, a mixing bowl. So this time we need again 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, only 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and half a tablespoon of matcha tea powder. Then I'm going to add some tea tree essential oil. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. And I'm going to mix it all together. And now we put it all in our storage container. And it's done. So thank you you very much, my friends, for staying with me the whole process, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new as well. So if you want to stay in tune and find out more recipes, please follow my channel and see you next time!